Plants need to be able to coordinate and control responses, just like animals do. Plants respond to light and gravity. The response to light is phototropism, and the response to gravity is known as geotropism or gravitropism. These responses are really important in the growth of the plant, as the shoots need to be growing towards the light, and the roots need to grow downwards into the soil. So geotropism and phototropism is how the plants grow in a particular direction or way in response to light and gravity. The hormone which controls both geotropism and phototropism is auxin. Auxin will accumulate at one end of the shoot or root, and this uneven distribution of the auxin is what causes the changes in growth. Let's take a look at the shoot. When light shines from one direction on the plant, the auxin will accumulate on the side where there is no sunlight. This causes the cells on the same side as the auxin to grow at a quicker rate, and so the shoot bends towards the sun. Geotropism affects both shoots and roots, but in the roots, auxin inhibits growth of the cells. It doesn't encourage growth like it does in the shoots. When auxin gathers on the lower side of both the shoots and the roots, the opposites occur. So in the roots, growth is slowed and so it bends downward, growing in a direction of gravity. On the other hand, in the shoot, the auxin causes accelerated growth, and so the shoot bends upwards, causing the shoot to grow in the opposite direction to gravity. So this means that shoots grow towards the light but against gravity, while roots grow in the same direction as the force of gravity. The next required practical is on this topic. In this practical, you have to investigate the effect of light and gravity on seedlings. You can set up plants in petri dishes and leave a number of petri dishes in different places, for instance in direct sunlight and another in a dark cupboard. You can then measure the height of each plant in each petri dish and find out if the plants grow towards the sunlight or not. The rest of the video is now higher tier content. Gibberellins are plant hormones which are important in the germination of a seed. Ethene is another hormone concerned with cell division and the ripening of fruits. Auxin is often used when cuttings of plants are being made. A cutting is when a piece of a plant stem is taken and grown into a new plant. Auxin is present in a powder used to stimulate the growth of the new cutting. Auxin is also present in plant cloning to make the plants grow. This hormone is also used in weed killers. The auxin causes plants to undergo rapid growth, and this eventually leads to death. Gibberellins are used to increase the growth of fruit and in brewing to speed up the germination of barley seeds. Finally, ethene is used in a commercial sense to ripen fruit. If fruit is required earlier than it is naturally going to ripe, then ethene can be used to speed up the ripening process.